And the Heritage Foundation has just released a report on the top-rated states for what they call educational freedom. Florida takes the top spot. New Jersey, New York, D.C., they are dead last. Will you look at that? Erika Donalds is a former school board member and an education expert on this program. She joins me now. My first question is, what exactly is educational freedom and how come Florida comes out on top?
Well, I am honored to be here in the free state of Florida, long known as the school choice state. I was happy to be there with the Heritage crew, Governor Ron DeSantis, our education commissioner on Friday as the Education Freedom Report Card launched. Florida's number one because we have the greatest choice programs in the country. We also have low regulation that helps those choice programs thrive and serve their students best. Our spending is efficient, and in the Heritage Report Card, it's not about how much you spend, but how well you spend and what your return on investment is. And finally, we have one of the most transparent systems in the country with A through F grades for every single school, high accountability for teacher performance, and for schools that are not performing well, making sure that they are held accountable to bring those scores up.
Florida's just so far out in front, isn't it? And I say this every time we see you. I've got another one for you. The Wall Street Journal and the New York Post have called out Randi Weingarten over what they call lies about school closures. Now, she is deflecting the blame and saying she's being demonized. Where do you stand on blaming the union or anybody else for the lockdowns during the pandemic?
Well, the union is absolutely to blame for the lockdowns, not only, but the resulting huge losses that our children experienced now that we're seeing the test scores where fourth grade reading and math, huge losses, the greatest in math ever recorded, the greatest in 40 years in reading. And the union has no one to blame but themselves. We saw red states like Florida open up safely, and the unions continue to fight to keep schools closed like they're still doing, as you mentioned, in Seattle. Places like LA, where the superintendent tried to add school days to the year. Meanwhile, these students lost a year of school, and he just tried to add 10 days, and he's still fighting with the union over adding 4 optional days. The unions have only themselves to blame. Randi Weingarten is trying to rewrite history, just like she tries to do in our classrooms.
I hear you. Erika, thank you very much for joining us as always, and please give our very best wishes to your husband, Byron Donalds, a fine congressional member out of Florida. Thank you very much, ma'am.